Fill in. Fill in. To complete something by adding information. He filled in the application with his details. Can you fill in your name here? Do up. Do up. To fasten or close clothes, buttons, zips, or straps. Don't forget to do up your seatbelt. Please do up your jacket. It's cold outside. Slip on. Slip on. Wear quickly or easily. She slipped on her shoes and went outside. He slipped on his gloves before riding a bike. Cut out. Cut out. To remove something by cutting. She cut out different shapes from the paper. He cut out a heart shape from paper. Knock down. Knock down. To hit someone and make them fall. The boxer knocked down his opponent with one punch. The police knocked down the door during the raid. Break off. Break off. Detach or remove a piece. She broke off a piece of chocolate and ate it. He broke off a branch from the tree. Fill up. Fill up. To make something full. She filled up the glass with water. The seats quickly filled up before the show. Chop up. Chop up. To cut something into small pieces. She chopped up the onions for the salad. He chopped up the wood for the fire. Lay down. Lay down. To put something down carefully or flat. She laid down the baby on the bed. The nurse laid down the patient gently on the bed. Peek through. Peek through. To look quickly or secretly through a small opening or gap. She peeked through the curtains to see outside. He peeked through the door hole to see who knocked. Sneak out. Sneak out. To leave a place quietly and secretly. He tried to sneak out of the house at night. The boy sneaked out through the window. Jump around. Jump around. To jump in different directions with energy. The boy is jumping around on the trampoline. Don't jump around on the bed. You might fall. Wrap up. Wrap up. To cover something completely. She likes to wrap up in a blanket to feel cozy. She wrapped up the gift with shiny paper. Fix up. Fix up. To repair or improve something. He fixed up the car tires before the long trip. Can you fix up the grinder? It's not working. Wash up. Wash up. To clean hands, face, plates, and utensils. Can you wash up the dishes, please? He washed up and then sat down to eat. Scoot over. Scoot over. To move a little to make space. Dad said, "Scoot over. I want to sit too." He scooted over to make space for her. Throw away. Throw away. To put something in the trash. She threw away the used tissue paper in the trash. He threw away the empty plastic bottle. Bubble away. Bubble away. To keep bubbling or boiling for some time. The soup was bubbling away on the stove. The rice was bubbling away in the pot. Try on. Try on. To put on clothes, shoes, or accessories to see if they fit or look good. Not to buy yet, just to check. She's trying on a new dress. He tried on new shoes before buying them. Write down. Write down. To put information on paper so you don't forget it. He wrote down the meeting time in his diary. I always write down new English words in my notebook. Chop down. Chop down. To cut down a tree using an axe or other tool. He chopped down the big tree in the garden. They chopped down a tree to make firewood. Turn back. Turn back. Return to where you came from. The little boy ran towards me and then turned back. It started raining, so she turned back home. Run into. Run into. To accidentally hit something while moving. Be careful not to run into the wall. The car ran into a tree. Spill over. Spill over. When liquid goes beyond the edge. Stop pouring. The coffee is spilling over. The milk spilled over the pot while boiling.